my name is Mike Chiefo at Flotech. Flotech is an authorized blue ribbon service center for Limitorque. I have well over 45 years of service working with the Limitorques. Today we're going to learn how to set this QX2 actuator on a plug valve. We're going to set the position limits, we're going to set the torque switches, and also if there's any other issues. We pull the QX2 actuator out of its box and we mount it to a 3-inch plug valve. Power has been applied and we see it's set up in English. So what we go from there is we go yes to set up in English. First menu is set close position limit. Since we are already in the closed position, we will go yes, close valve, okay, yes, save close limit, okay, yes. Now we want to set the open position limit. So we would go yes, put the actuator in declutch manual mode, operate the valve via the hand wheel till we see that the valve is fully open. Once the valve is fully open, we want to turn the hand wheel back 2 turns, come back to the knobs. Is the valve open okay? Yes. Save open? Yes. Next menu that comes up is set close position limit. We will say no because the close is already set. Set open position limit? No, because we already set that. That is the setting for the open and close position limit. Okay, since we now complete setting up the actuator, we're going to do a functional test on it. So we're going to send the actuator to a full closed position. And as you can see on the screen, we're at 0% open, status okay. So bring it back to fully open. Setting is for the position limits is complete. Next thing we want to set now is the torque settings. So we need to go into the setting, and it is going into the stop. You got 10 seconds to go yes, no, yes. Set up yes, set up in English yes, change settings yes, enter password yes. Password is 100. No makes changes, so you go no, goes to 1. Yes accepts that. 0 yes, 0 yes. Password 100 yes. Change valve setup no. Change operating time no. Okay, now we're going to be setting the torque setup, and how we set the torque setup is used by the end of line torque sheet that was provided by Limitorque at the end of line testing. We will go into the change torque setup. Yes. It will give you a warning. And proceed. Yes. 40% is the lowest torque rating that the Limitorque actuator has. So we want to increase it to 68% as mentioned on the test result. To change it, we go no. To 68%. Yes to accept that. Now the open value is supposed to be 62%. So we go no. $62%. Yes to accept it. Now our torque setting is set. Now that the actuator has been fully configured, our next thing is there is a possible leak in the valve because we hear a hissing sound. So how do we correct that? It will be corrected through the mechanical stops. Back off the mechanical stop, one turn, go into declutch mode, operate your valve more into the closed seat, and then you feel firmness, it's okay, fine. We're at our fully closed. Now we have to reset the closed position limit. Nice thing about the QX MX actuator, you can only set one, you don't have to set both. So we go into the stop and you have 10 seconds to go yes, no, yes. Setup, yes. Setup in English, yes. Change settings, yes. Enter password, yes. Password is 100. Go no, one comes up. Yes to accept, 0 yes, 0 yes. Password 100 okay, yes. Change valve setup, no. Change operating time, no. Change torque, no. Change position, yes. Change closed position limit, yes. Close valve okay, yes, because we did it mechanically. Save closed limit, yes. Set open position limit, no, because open limit is fine. Change position, precision, no. Change position setup, no. We switch back into remote. We just fixed our leak. Since the actuator now is completely configured, if you have any questions or you have any issues, you can look at your instruction and maintenance manual or just give Flotech a call.